Hello YouTube, this is how to download and install cracked Mac apps, basically the ones off the App Store. Okay, first thing you do is open up the link in the description, then bring you to this page, hit download this torrent, go ahead and exit out of this, install iFile or uTorrent, which will be in the description, how to download that, so there'll be links. Right click on this, then downloads the Angry Birds Rio, hit show in Finder, and then hit Angry Birds this, go ahead drag that over to there, let go of it, exit out this. After it's done, go to complete, right here, right click, show in Finder, should come up like that, click on this, and then click on Angry Birds Rio zip file, double click on this. Should be doing that. I'm going to hit cancel because I already have it. Then it should appear right here. Go ahead, drag that down. Then drag it over to applications. Go over wherever. I already have it. Then once you have that here, go find any free application that you have downloaded, like this one. Right click, hit show package contents. Then it should be mass receipt. Alright, let's go to a different one. Shit. Make sure you do not click on it like I just did. Do not open up the application at all. Make sure you just do a nice right click, show package contents, mass receipt, right click mass receipt, copy mass receipt, go back up to Angry Birds Rio. Don't open it though. Do not open it like that. Click, right click, show package contents, right click, and then hit paste mass receipt. Should show somewhere over here. I already have it pasted right here. Mass receipt. Then exit out of this, grab it, drag it down to wherever, your dock if you want. Exit out all this. Go ahead and play.